Welcome to Intelligence Gateway. What is the role of millimeter wave (mmWave) technology in 5G networks? Millimeter wave (mmWave) technology plays a crucial role in 5G networks by providing high-speed data transfer capabilities. mmWave is a type of wireless communication that operates at frequencies between 30 GHz and 300 GHz. These frequencies are much higher than those used in traditional wireless networks, which typically operate at frequencies below 6 GHz. In 5G networks, mmWave technology is used to provide high-speed data transfer for applications such as virtual and augmented reality, online gaming, and video streaming. The high frequencies used in mmWave technology allow for the transmission of large amounts of data over short distances, making it ideal for use in urban areas and crowded environments where network congestion can be an issue. How does 5G impact IoT and smart city applications? 5G technology has the potential to greatly impact IoT, Internet of Things, and smart city applications by enabling faster and more reliable communication between connected devices and systems. One of the key benefits of 5G technology for IoT is its low latency, which is the time it takes for a device to communicate with the network. With 5G, latency can be reduced to just a few milliseconds, which is critical for applications that require real-time data transfer, such as autonomous vehicles, industrial automation, and remote surgery. This low latency also enables more responsive and immersive experiences for users of augmented and virtual reality applications. What is the role of edge computing in 5G networks? Edge computing is a critical component of 5G networks. With the proliferation of connected devices and the exponential growth of data generated by these devices, there is a need to process and analyze data closer to the source rather than transmitting all the data to a central data center. Edge computing enables data to be processed and analyzed at the edge of the network, closer to the devices generating the data. This can result in faster processing times, lower latency, and reduced network congestion. How does 5G impact the mobile industry and consumer devices? The impact of 5G on the mobile industry and consumer devices is significant. 5G technology provides faster data transfer speeds, lower latency, and higher bandwidth, which enables new and improved mobile experiences such as augmented and virtual reality applications, 4K and 8K video streaming, and seamless connectivity for multiple devices. 5G also provides greater network capacity, which can support a larger number of connected devices and enable new IoT applications. What are the key security concerns in 5G networks? Security is a significant concern in 5G networks, as they will be used to connect a much larger number of devices, including critical infrastructure and mission-critical applications. Some key security concerns in 5G networks include the risk of network slicing attacks, where a malicious user gains unauthorized access to a virtual network slice, and the risk of supply chain attacks, where malicious code is embedded in network equipment during the manufacturing process. How does 5G impact cloud computing and data centers? 5G technology has the potential to impact cloud computing and data centers by enabling faster data transfer speeds and lower latency, which can improve the performance of cloud-based applications. Additionally, edge computing in 5G networks can reduce the amount of data that needs to be transmitted to the cloud, which can reduce network congestion and improve performance. What are the key use cases for 5G technology? Some key use cases for 5G technology include autonomous vehicles, smart cities, virtual and augmented reality applications, industrial automation, and remote surgery. These applications require low latency, high bandwidth, and high reliability, which are all features of 5G technology. How does 5G impact the healthcare industry? 5G technology can impact the healthcare industry in several ways, including enabling remote patient monitoring, telemedicine, and remote surgery. 5G's low latency and high reliability make it possible to conduct real-time remote surgery, where a surgeon can operate on a patient located in a different part of the world. What are the key benefits of 5G for autonomous vehicles? The key benefits of 5G for autonomous vehicles include faster and more reliable communication between vehicles and the network, which can improve safety and enable more efficient traffic management. 5G can also support advanced features such as vehicle-to-vehicle communication and real-time navigation updates. How does 5G impact the entertainment industry? 5G technology can impact the entertainment industry by enabling new and improved mobile experiences such as augmented and virtual reality applications, 4K and 8K video streaming, and seamless connectivity for multiple devices. 5G can also support new forms of content distribution, such as live streaming of events. How does 5G enable remote work and telemedicine? 5G technology enables remote work and telemedicine by providing high-speed and reliable connectivity, which enables remote communication and collaboration. 5G's low latency and high reliability make it possible to conduct real-time remote surgery, where a surgeon can operate on a patient located in a different part of the world. What is the role of network function virtualization, NFV, in 5G networks? Network function virtualization, NFV, is a critical component of 5G networks, as it enables network functions such as firewalls, load balancers, and intrusion detection systems to be virtualized and run on standard hardware. This can reduce the cost and complexity of network infrastructure and enable greater flexibility and scalability. How does 5G impact the gaming industry? 5G technology can impact the gaming industry by enabling new and improved mobile experiences such as augmented and virtual reality applications, faster and more reliable communication between players, and seamless connectivity for multiple devices. 5G can also support new forms of gaming, such as cloud-based gaming services. What are the key benefits of 5G for the energy sector? The key benefits of 5G for the energy sector include increased efficiency, reduced energy consumption, and improved safety. With the help of 5G-powered sensors and IoT devices, energy companies can monitor and optimize energy usage in real time. This enables them to identify inefficiencies and wastages and take corrective measures. Additionally, 5G can facilitate the deployment of autonomous robots and drones to perform maintenance tasks in hazardous environments, improving worker safety. How does 5G impact the retail industry? 5G can impact the retail industry in several ways, including enabling personalized shopping experiences, facilitating efficient inventory management, and optimizing supply chain operations. With the help of 5G-powered IoT devices and sensors, retailers can collect real-time data about customer behavior, preferences, and movements. This data can be used to create personalized shopping experiences and optimize store layouts and inventory management. Additionally, 5G can facilitate the use of autonomous robots and drones for warehouse and inventory management. What is 5G technology? 5G technology is the fifth generation of cellular mobile communication technology. It is designed to provide faster data transfer speeds, increased network capacity, and lower latency. 5G networks operate in three different frequency bands: low band, mid band, and high band. How is 5G different from previous cellular technologies? 5G is different from previous cellular technologies in several ways. Firstly, 5G operates in higher frequency bands, which enables faster data transfer speeds and lower latency. Secondly, 5G networks use massive MIMO and beamforming technologies, which enable more efficient use of radio frequencies and increased network capacity. Finally, 5G is designed to support a wider range of use cases, including IoT, autonomous vehicles, and remote healthcare. What are the key benefits of 5G? The key benefits of 5G include faster data transfer speeds, increased network capacity, lower latency, and support for a wider range of use cases. With faster data transfer speeds, users can download and upload data more quickly, enabling new applications such as virtual and augmented reality. Increased network capacity allows more devices to be connected to the network, while lower latency enables real-time applications such as remote surgery and autonomous vehicles. What are the key challenges in implementing 5G technology? The key challenges in implementing 5G technology include high infrastructure costs, regulatory hurdles, and concerns about network security and privacy. 5G networks require significant investment in infrastructure, including new cell towers and fiber optic cables. Additionally, regulatory hurdles and government policies can impact the rollout of 5G networks. Finally, concerns about network security and privacy must be addressed to ensure that 5G networks are secure and trustworthy. What are the different frequency bands used in 5G? The different frequency bands used in 5G are low band, mid band, and high band. Low band frequencies provide wider coverage but lower data transfer speeds, while high band frequencies provide faster data transfer speeds but have limited coverage. Mid-band frequencies provide a balance between coverage and speed. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.